our integration with Xactimate had only supported the actual floor plan and photos. With our upcoming update, we're actually going to start supporting the reference blocks and areas. When you're on site and you're documenting an affected area for water damage, or you have something like fixtures, right? These fixtures will now be transferred over with your ESX file in the form of a reference block or an area, depending on which one you're working with.
There's another feature that we launched.
This is that floor plan that we were just showing still frames of. I go down to my export option. You'll see that I have the Verisk export option here. This is from my ESX. If I click into that little settings icon on the side, you can see that I can do things like enable photo compression so that I can send more photos via the integration. And I can just simply turn photos on and off. So quickly wanted to highlight that before we talk about what changed. Again, another quality of life improvement. So in Magic Plan, we have a very comprehensive photo capturing process, right? Allowing you to capture things like captions and descriptions, as well as making edits to your photos. But those captions historically were not getting transferred over as a description to Xactimate. Now, with the changes that we will be launching, these captions will be transferred over as descriptions within your project in Xactimate. If you go into the captions on the floor plan, you'll see down at the bottom there, it says description, dining room damage on floor, right? So if we actually jump back to my iPad real quick,
Let me find it.
if I go to this dining room, you'll see here when I clicked on that affected area, I have this photo and I had that caption that was already saved. And you just tap the icon and it starts that export. So you see here, I think it's 4 or 5 seconds, I get a notification that my file is ready. I just go to my email associated with my account and I download the ESX via the link.